We put a big emphasis early on in regards to monitoring, not just monitoring what the solar produces. Well, that's great, you can see that on the screen and you can Bluetooth that, but more importantly, you need a little smart meter that you can see the loads in real time. It helps customers manage their affairs, either be it residential, commercial, or just on farms. So a lot of them use that as a strong guide and they actually change their habits accordingly. A lot of customers like the idea of the monitoring and be able to see, and it stores all that black data for future reference. Type of expected savings with the residential market, typically we find a lot of payback is around the 3.5 to 4.5 years. So a lot of people say, oh, I didn't realise it was that good. With the aspect of monitoring, you can actually tailor your situation and put on certain appliances during the day. Namely, a lot of people up here have swimming pools. So they might put their pool on from 8 to 11, their electric hot water from 11 to 1, and then their pool back from say 1 to 4 or 5 in the afternoon. That alone is typically 60 to 65% of their energy bills. That if they've got a family or some members are staying at home during the day, they can run some air conditioning or run their washing and so forth during the day. Some, because the cost of power, even if they don't use the power, 3 kilowatts exported offsets 1 kilowatt of consumption at night. So when they consider the solar options, we explain and show some of the existing monitoring of what some sites look like. They get very excited by it and they're very keen for the installation to take place.